come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, Love the way you twist and turn. Come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, Love the way you twist and turn.
Come through.
Yeah! And why Daddy not go?
Where's your brother? No! I'm just relaxing, guys. Like, it's so cool. Happy weekend, everybody! Say happy weekend, guys!
Happy weekend,
Guys, so we're on the road. It's errands day. We just stopped by to pick up some packages, and to be honest, we're trying out a new shipping company. Hey guys, I always come on here and like share what companies I use for shipping, etc. And I do have a dedicated video coming up where I basically provide like a little vendor plug for entrepreneurs, small businesses, and I included a couple shipping options that I have used or have been recommended by like business associates, friends, family, you know. And I'm checking out another one today. So I'm checking out another one today, and no lies, this one is pretty cool. I'll leave a full review like another time. I just want to like, you know, use them for a couple, you know, shipments and see how they really hold up. So the shipping time was really fast. I'd say about a week we got our packages, so that's not bad. I mean, I know companies that can get your packages in like 2 to 3 days express, but a week is fine for me. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Literally my hair is dripping wet because as you can see from the previous clips, we had a little pool day this morning. Like we got up and the time was just so freaking hot, and the boys have been like dying. We got them a little splash pad slash pool slash slide. I don't even know what to call it. Yes, Javi?
Mommy, I wasn't not with him. I don't want to play with him.
Alright, Javi, you said he wants to play with you. Play with him now, man. He's your one and only brother, and I'm not giving you any more. Nope, no more. So we had a blast this morning. It was so much fun, and as I said, this heat is no joke. So just imagine how much fun the boys had. Leave in the comments, drop down in the comments, and let me know how your summer has been going. Like as you look, the summer done. Well, for the boys that is. For them, free paper soon done. So we literally have been prepping for back to school. Already did some shopping on Amazon for like their backpacks and small stuff like that. We should be getting their shoes. Should be going like shoe shopping either next week or the following week. But yeah, they're pretty set for school, guys, and I think they had a blast this summer. So it's time to get cracking. It's time to get, you know, back to the books. So I did go ahead and print out some worksheets for them. I'll leave a link below for all the mommies out there who wants like worksheets for your toddlers, your 3 to 5 year old, 6-year-old, thereabout. And we're gonna get cracking because listen, them have to get back into the frame of mind for school. These boys go to bed midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning. So now I have to be, you know, sleep training again. Them have to go bed early so I can wake up early. And sadly, so will I. So I free paper kind of burden away because I have to get up at morning time, make them breakfast, get them ready for school and such. And I'm not looking forward to that. Like I was enjoying the summer. Okay? So I'm not gonna put a damper on it yet because we still have like 2 or 3 weeks to go. So I'm just going to make the most of it and enjoy what's left of the summer now. So the AC on and the place hot. This is still very rich to the packages. Guys, I know I bust ears a lot, I talk a lot, but I mean, I don't think that it's that bad, right? How many minutes of chatting? We got 2 minutes. Well, no, I think I'm at like 4 minutes of ranting or chatting. which isn't bad at all. So yeah, I'll catch you guys for the rest of the day. There you go.
Where's Daddy?
He's coming, let's go.
Maybe at the back of us.
We got to get some sausage. It's always going away. You have to wait a while, baby. You have to wait a while. Alright, there you go. Need some ferns. Let's get this one. Grapes. And some burgers. Go. Jamie, leave the trolley. Inside the trolley.
Right at the top or the bottom?
Anywhere is fine. You want mac and cheese? Say that as I know. Let's go.
Macaroni. Macaroni. Macaroni.
Sure, my love.
Yay! Mommy, I love you. Hey, how you gonna get out?
To climb though. Your mommy took her, right? What the hell in your hat the backside? That's it for the supermarket.
Mommy, by the way, tea for me, but
So
what?
the next stop is the barber to get the boys trimmed because they have BVBS next week.
Mommy,
I'm free next week.
Mommy,
Yes.
but I want something to eat.
Sure. Sure, we're gonna get you something. I'm gonna feed these.
But we didn't eat that.
And they have a quick snack break. Putting you on to the Miss Berry cornbread and the cheese. Okay. I'll have bag juice or this prime. We're looking for cows, but they don't have the cows in the supermarket, so prime will have to do. Boys, you want bag juice?
No.
Alright, to them, so they don't have bag juice. Alright, do it yourself.
Where the carrot at?
You want cheese and cornbread?
No.
We're gonna baba, and we're gonna do the fella cool and I'm sorry. You. Yes, it's the more. So you know you have to open up the cornbread. That was a fail. Open the cornbread like so. My hands are clean, by the way. And even if it's not, I'm the one eating it. So yeah.
Mommy, you have cheese?
Yeah, you want cheese?
Yes.
Really, I'm obsessed with cheese. Go on, Gregory. Here you go, my love. Come here, here's the cheese. And you squish it together like so. And then you enjoy. So yeah, that's a proof. May I snack on this? I'm going to do this time for Baba. Hey guys, catch her. Jamir, Jason. Him now listen. Tell him stop running through the shop. Him say.
Come here. Yo, man, how about up man? Guys, some friend that you know.
Stay there. So remember your guys are afraid you're not big
No. We guys can stay together.
Daddy, you don't want to talk to me? Daddy?
Your boys are talking to you, Jason.
Yes, I want to talk to you.
Get a nice line of them. Okay, Mr. Dino. So the boys are all trimmed. Look at the new cut. Show them your new cut.
Ow!
What's wrong? Jamie, why may I see your tonsils?
That's mommy that cut my boo-boo.
You cut your boo-boo?
Yep.
I'm so sorry. So they're all fresh and ready for church next week. Right, boys? Are you excited?
Yes.
I am too.
And that's why grandmother went to church
Yeah.
and Joel keep going to church.
Yeah, you like going to church? Okay, I'm gonna send you to church every week, okay?
Okay, and we can play?
Hey, you not go to church to play, young man. You go to church to learn about the Lord. You know who the Lord is, Javi? You know who God is? Who is God? Or Jesus? You know them? Where you know them from?
Africa.
Africa. You know what? Alright, I'm done with you. Okay? I'm done with you. Anyways, guys, my energy is super low right now because I am drained. Today drained me. Why just have indicator on? Listen to me.
I'll try to see that.
Today drained me. Sit down, Javi. So you guys went to the supermarket, went to the barber, where else to go pick up packages. Like, these are what my Saturdays look like, and I'm not loving that for me.
To get patty.
Yeah, oh yeah, we're going to try and get patties for the boy. Look on Jamaica.
Yeah, but
From white to black, go sit down.
but we're gonna buy a mommy too in our party.
Listen to me, I can't do these kids. I tell them I sell them. Every day I come out here auction them off. I wanted to come back and give you guys an update on Insecure. I finally finished the entire 5 seasons, and as much as I said I would have loved to, have watched it when it just came out, I'm so glad that I watched it now, because based on the reviews that I'm seeing, it's for a more mature audience. So as much as, spoiler alert for those who haven't watched, as much as I wasn't rooting for Issa and Lawrence, like, in the end, I'm kind of glad that they eventually got together, or got back together after all the back and forth. Like, you can tell that the love was there, that the connection was there, and soon it's kind of undeniable that they're actually soulmates, and that's something that I can relate to. It's actually that pull there, that love, that it was just undeniable, and it was never gonna go away. So might as well them just fess up to it and just give in and just be together and be happy and call it a day. But all in all, the entire series was very funny. I mean, there was comedy mixed in, there was love, there was like a lot of drama, and if I'm being honest, aside from the series, Javi, go on your ways now. Aside from the series being about, love and the love story between Issa and Lawrence, it's actually very much about friendship, and like that dynamic of friendship, and like having people around you that you can rely on. Because listen, those girls rallied around each other. They had each other's backs. Like, there was never a time that you needed someone and like they didn't show up for you. And I'm like, that's something that I would really love for myself, like to just be there and to have people, be there in return. Javilu, go on, maybe give me like a review the man backside. I cannot with this child. But yeah, guys, 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. Go and watch Insecure if you haven't already.
How am I gonna taste that?
Driving to Jamaica.
It's back to home.
Driving home. Okay, take us home, please.
No!
It's okay, Javid. Let me see if you can drive, Jamaica. Let's take us home.
I'm not gonna tell you how. Tell me, or I'm not gonna, or if you don't tell me, I'm not gonna drive.
Drive, Jamie, drive. Take us home. Take us home.
Mama!
Yes, Jamie.
Daddy, if you don't tell me how to drive, I'm not gonna leave Daddy.
You're gonna leave Daddy here?
I'm not gonna tell you. I'm not gonna leave Daddy. I'm gonna see how far, and I'm gonna be driving.
Okay, alright. I wanna go home. Leave Daddy.
No!
Let's leave him here. Stop the shouting, Jamie.
Daddy.
Drive, let me see. Just drive. Okay.
Never going to. I put it up, but me to drive. Nah. Look, you only had no more energy. So because you had a lot of energy and you can drive.
Daddy's coming.
Ha ha ha! You had no more idea. Get out of my seat.
He said he's driving us home, Jason. Go sit back, put on your seatbelt.
You want to drive home?
Yeah.
Okay, put your foot on the brake.
No! I want Daddy to come down.
Come on, go in there,
Come come drive here. Let your father drive. You ain't no driver around here. Don't come on me, brass man. Go around the back.
I don't know how to drive. What about hit my head to something?
Alright, cool. Jam here. Go around the back, no man.
Mommy.
Let me get done, my friend. What you want to get that number? Hey. So what's your name? Is it going to get a number? So the company have number? The company number, Shady receipt. If you say so. Just know I'm watching you.
We tried it.
Who sing this? You know this one? Of course. Bila Vibes Baker. It's a new song or something. I know. I'm gonna have to see it, but I really follow dancer like that anymore. Like back in the day, like Gully versus Gaza, you could have catch up on them flex together. Nowadays, not so much. Okay. So guys, it's days later, and I'm heading on the road. And basically, going to take care of some business today, and then I'm going to find food as always. But it's early. I had breakfast this morning. I got a hot dog and things. I'm not hungry today. So that's a pretty for this morning. The girl is feeling herself, looking all cute with a little simple glam and all of that, I don't know, but just, we had the turn up already? Oh no, sorry. Yeah. Tell you later. Yeah, well on YouTube, old my door. Hey, YouTube, hold on, which when they create my YouTube channel like years ago, back when like the restrictions weren't as, so strict. I'm like, well, I know we need how much thousands of watch hours to monetize our channel. Like back in the day, you didn't even need so much watch hours, you didn't even need so much subscribers. The other day I saw them like reduce the subscriber requirement from 1,000 to 500. So why them not bring down the watch hours? Them are all back for career, isn't it? And I know like lots of people who created their channels years back have been able to monetize because of other restrictions back then. So yeah guys, you see, that's why when I want to do something, you have to just do it from now and don't delay the thing, because if I started way back when, but I good now. But yeah, the journey continues guys. Don't forget to share the channel with a friend, help a girl to reach her watch hour target. And yeah, just watch the videos. I'm going to go ahead and link a playlist, which is the Life in Jamaica playlist, where I just have fun in Jamaica. I'm out and about, just living life. So if you guys are interested in that, you can just check it out. I'm gonna link it right here. So yeah guys, as I said, on the road handling some business today, and I'm gonna take it all along with me for the parts that I feel comfortable with. And I just want to leave a word with you today. It's not a Shan Speak segment, but I'm just gonna leave a word with you today. The word is determination. Like once you set your mind to something, that's the next thing. Like once you can conceive it, you can achieve it. It might sound corny. But you go over there, laugh. No matter what it might sound corny, guys, but let me tell you, it's a real deal. Like anything that you set your mind to, or anything that you set out to achieve, you are capable of doing so. Like the power lies within you. Don't let anybody deter you from going for your dreams, smashing those goals. Like listen, you are that girl and you can do that. Okay? So yeah, roll with us today and see what's up. Man say, you're not driving the car, we have video before. So we don't got no money to pay, so you have some silver can give. Give it to the silver. So we don't have video, sir. What kind of washing that? What kind of washing that? I still see smudges over there. Man say, we have it in my face that if not drive the car, the man this way. Guys, I feel hurt. Man say that if not drive, we have it in my face.
Where's the boss?
Feel hurt.
I'm not gonna say no.
Come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, Lot of way twists and turns, Come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns,
Alright guys, take care. Not at all.
Too many twists and turns, Lot of way twists and turns,
You said he's there? Guys, so I'm at the Blue Bank. And I don't know, but it's just so cold in here. I'm literally freezing. Like, I was just complaining about the heat outside. And now I'm in here and I'm freezing. Okay? So yeah, I'm just waiting on my rep to get here so that I can get these forms out of the way. And I'll talk a little bit more about what I'm actually doing here, like when I'm out. So I just wanted to hop in and let you guys know that the girl is doing the do. So yeah. Hi, morning. Nice to meet you, Shanice.
Yeah, man.
How are you? Okay. I appreciate you accommodating me today. I already signed. So guys, listen, I don't even know what to say, but this heat is no joke. This heat alone can deter you from even going on the road. I mean, if you're in your car you have AC, that's fine, but even in the car now with the AC, I still burn up. Either way, that's it for today's proceedings, and basically that's it for this week's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was fun-ish, maybe, I don't know. Leave a comment down below and let me know what is your favorite part of this week's vlog. And thank you so much for rocking with your girl. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. And anything you want to say, sir? You want to tell the vlog bye? Oh no, you're not supposed to be here. Bye guys.